going to have to be a really quick vlog, this one. I've only got 2 bars and about 10 minutes left on the memory card. But as you can see, it's only a very little park in Weston Super Mare. I've got 2 coaster credits here. You've got the Interpark new for this year, 2018. You've also got a wacky worm, got other various rides. So what I'm going to do is purchase some tokens, that's as you're coming over there, and get the chest harness on, and hopefully bring you a few POVs, a couple of POVs. Got the Pirates ship as well over there. Got the Dumbo and the bumper cars. So yeah, I'm going to get sorted and hope to see you on the ride. Wild Mouse. Right, here we go then on the wacky worm. Unfortunately, the original plan hasn't happened because the Interpark, the Wild Mouse, is down. Sensor issue. So they're hopefully going to get it fixed in the next quarter of an hour. So it's been down for half hour now. I've got a half hour before I have to go, so anyway, this is the wacky worm, or the caterpillar, whatever you want to call it. Very smooth. But yeah, you see from the there you've got the Hot Wheels. You've also got the waltzer, the mini swings. Yeah, it is literally going to be getting on Wild Mouse, if I get on Wild Mouse, and then finish off the vlog, and then back to the station, 6 o'clock to Bristol, and then the 6:30, 18:30 up to Sheffield. Yeah, they're still working on the track at the Wild Mouse. Well, we either get it or we don't. Arms in the air. Woo! And that was the wacky worm. Yeah, it's not looking that good, this. I mean, it's just gone 1:15 now. You can see the ride ops working on it there. It's been down for half hour now. I can't see them getting this done before they leave. Anyway, you've got the pirate ship. Just thought I'd give you a little bit of off ride while we're waiting here. Got the Hot Wheels, the Dodgems, the waltzer, the Luna Park caterpillar, what I've just been on. Flying Dumbos. You've got a little ride down here as well. Carousel. So that's a very quick look at the park. This is the one we wanted to do though, and yeah. Give it 10 minutes and get me refund back on the tokens if I can't get on this. It'd be a shame. Been a really good day, obviously, to try and get the new coaster cred here. Yeah, it is what it is, I suppose. Yeah, good helix as well. Oh well. Yeah, it's well and truly broke. They said about 1/4 hour. Well, I've got to go, you know, there's nothing I can do about it. You've got the Luna Park caterpillar there. At least that working. Well, yeah, it's annoying for it to literally break down as they arrived here. Yeah, it's one of them things, isn't it? But safety is priority. Anyway, that was Funland at Tropicana. Shame we didn't get the 2 credits, as I said there. At least we got the 1. Anyway, I better get back to this train, this 6 o'clock train. Another view of the seafront there. I said next week, not sure where I'm going to be. There's a couple of options in the pipeline at the minute, but we'll have to see. Just also compliments to the staff up at Breen, very friendly. I could do POVs, I was really surprised about that. So thanks guys, you know, and hopefully I've done a good park vlog for you down there. Also got a bit of a fan club as well, which is nice, you know. Always try and drop people shout outs whenever I can. But yeah, glorious weather in Weston. Anyway, thank you for watching. Shame, as I say, I didn't get the Interpark in there. Please drop me a subscribe, comment, and hopefully a like. So until next time, it's ciao for now.